On another nature trail. It's been storming out here for a good minute. It stopped though. It's real windy. There goes a deer. Let me see something. There goes a deer. Oh, it's gone. At the Lynn Frank Observation Tower. And that's the nature trail over there. And this is a different one I'm checking out at a different observation tower. I'm about to go up it, and I'm about to go up it in a second. Like, there actually was some deers in these woods. Well, I saw one earlier. It was a big one. But it fleed right away once it saw me. I really wanted to get some footage of that, but didn't. I didn't. So let me go up the stairs. See how it is at the top. Gotta watch my step. Going up another level. Trying to not drop my phone. Kind of scared of heights at sometimes. Not really a big fan of heights. But alright. Oh, snap. We got this too. Wow, this is nice. Get that little cool breeze. It's storming out here. We got a big storm earlier. It knocked out all the power in the area I was in. Man. Hard to see through this, like. You can find all these types of birds. I've seen that one. I've seen that one around here. Seen that one. I believe I saw a bald eagle, turkey vulture. might have seen that one. I don't know if I saw that one. This one, I don't think I saw this one either. Man, this was cool, to be honest. Whew. The salt marshland, it's all surrounded. I'm trying to find that deer I saw earlier. Or I think it was a buck or something. Something it was. I don't know what it was. It was a deer though. That's what it was. At another nature trail. I'm leaving it right now. And I just checked out the observation deck. Didn't see too much out here. I did see a deer earlier. Big one. But this is what it is. Pretty windy out here. It's raining earlier. We got a little big storm. My biggest fear is falling over.